travel day, and it is not a Saturday. It is Sunday. We are leaving Quartzsite and headed to Yuma.
Finally.
Yeah, we were just here in Quartzsite for a few days, and we had a nice visit with some friends, Rob and Marie from Opa-Noma's Camping Adventures. So we got to see them. That was good. And then we just had some stuff to do around the rig and some shopping, and that's kind of it. So a quick visit here in December.
We
it's
start
nice
our
in December.
last and final leg south.
Yep.
At least for the rig.
Yep. Yeah.
We're going to go even farther south tomorrow.
Yes. Yes. So there's been
In
some
1/4
changes.
mile, turn left on South Central Boulevard.
And some changes to Quartzsite.
There's subtle changes.
Oh, there's some big changes.
But there are some pretty
Like
big
over
changes.
there.
Like over there.
But we will tell you about those later.
Great big RV park.
Yep. Actually, we talked about some of them on our Saturday chat
Yeah.
yesterday.
Turn left at the traffic light.
A long time ago.
Long time ago, yesterday. So, not too bad of a drive. However, we're leaving early to try and miss the wind.
Which has already started.
Yeah. And then we can't check into the RV park until noon. So we're just going to pull over and hang out for a little bit, eat lunch, and then go check in when we're allowed to. Look at that road. Have you ever seen it so empty? Not if you've been here in January only. Look at that. No traffic.
Continue on South Central Boulevard.
Goodbye, Quartzsite. We are at Mocha's again with Bob and Pearl. Yay! It's early lunchtime. Early lunch.
Early lunch, early cocktail hour.
Oh yeah.
Or two of us anyway.
Margarita, Coke,
And a lot of hot sauce.
and Coke. Right now we just have the chips and salsas. The spicy.
I think Bob's going to get one of those tongue tacos.
See it up there. It says if you don't like the food, you don't pay. If you don't like the food, you don't pay. You can order a tongue taco and
Oh, scary.
The deal is, you'd like it.
You've had tongue taco?
I've had a tongue taco. It's not bad.
I've had a tongue lashing, but
Yeah.
When I worked,
Order, you want to wait?
I think
we're ready.
We're ready to order.
Tell me. Go.
I want a burrito and a hot.
What kind?
Chicken.
Flour or corn?
Corn?
Burrito flour is fine. Burrito is flour.
Flour, okay.
Cheese or no cheese? Cheese or no cheese?
Cheese, yeah.
No beans, no rice.
Beans and rice.
So burrito and taco. So burrito and taco, one and one. This is one burrito and one taco, you said?
Yeah, right.
Want a tamale and chili dog.
Rice and beans? Flour or corn?
Like a tamale, no sauce. That's it.
No tongue taco?
No, not for me. No rice and beans for me either.
Chicken taco, corn, and
Rice and beans.
rice and beans with a burrito.
What kind of burrito?
Beef.
Chicken taco corn.
Well, I don't know how you can read all that.
Yep. Okay, food is ordered. GoPro, stop recording.
There you go.
Oh wait, look, here we go again. Oh, pretty, yeah. Pretty stuff. Oops. Very pretty. Very pretty.
Oh.
Not yet. Okay, not yet. Thank you.
Once again, we are in Los Algodones, Mexico. Well, actually, we're not in anymore. We've crossed the wall. But we did have fun today.
What? Oh, we didn't?
Yeah, we did have fun today.
Yes, we did. I was going to question what
Yes,
you were
we
talking about.
did. With Bob and Pearl. Bob drank a record 1 margarita.
Only one.
Only one this time. What's wrong with that picture?
Somebody got to
You know why?
educate.
Because he thought he was paying. If he knew that we were going to pay, he would have too.
GoPro, stop recording.
Well, good morning. Welcome to another travel day for Tom and Lori. We are leaving the RV park in Yuma, but we are not leaving the area. We are headed out to our favorite boondocking spot, and we are keeping our fingers crossed that the spot we go to is available and accessible, if somebody's not parked where we have to drive to get to it. So we enjoyed our couple of days here. We went to Los Algodones with Bob and Pearl from Next Exit, and that was fun. And Pearl cooked us a yummy, delicious dinner on Sunday. That was our travel day, so that was really kind of nice for me not to have to cook on travel day. That's always nice, huh? Plus, just spending time with them is just so amazing, and we had so much fun in Mexico like we normally do with them. And yesterday was just kind of run some errands, grocery shopping, stocking up for Christmas and all that good stuff. So not a very long drive today. I doubt that the massive plane looks so massive through the GoPro, but it's one of those transport planes. We just watched one take off, and it did a big loop. Oh, there's another one right there. They're just so big. It's one of the things I like about the Yuma area is there's so many military aircraft that go on around here. So like I said, we are hoping to get our spot that we normally like, which we call Christmas Island, because it kind of has washes kind of all around it. And we hope we don't end up on the island of misfit RVers. That was Tom's joke. Go figure. Well, we've turned into the area where we like to be on Ogilvy Road, and yay!
There's nobody here.
Christmas Island is available. Woohoo! And there's nobody where we have to drive, so very cool. Yay! Alrighty. We need to get
We're home for the holidays.
on Christmas Island. We have made it to Christmas Island. Yay! It was available and nobody was around in the way to get to it. Mom's putting up our solar panels. Zzz, zzz, zzz. So here we are for Christmas. Today is December 14th, 2022. And at the moment, it's nice and quiet and peaceful and there's nobody here. However, probably next week they'll start filing in, or this weekend. But for now, we will enjoy the peace and quiet. And the people that stayed here before us were naughty, and they collected firewood, and you're not supposed to do that. So hopefully we don't get in trouble for that. And Kaylee has already made herself at home. She's in her window. Hi, baby. Hi. Looks like Mommy and Daddy need to clean your screen, huh? It's a little dusty. Pretty girl. Well, I thought I would get up on the roof and do a 360. Today is Sunday, December 18th, 2022, 1 week before Christmas. And it's been nice and quiet here with only a few dotted around here. And just today, we've received a couple new neighbors. And so I wanted to get a good gist of before and after. So that's a new neighbor. And this van just pulled in. So last year we had a group come right there, and we were here in the same spot, but a great big group came right there. So hopefully that won't happen again. It was a little bit just too close, but who knows? They were just here for the week, for the holiday. So it is a lovely day today. We just had 2 jets fly over very low, which is cool. We always enjoy that. Those, the helicopters and the Osprey. So it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I love coming up on the roof. It's such a great view. Got some hummingbirds. I have 3 feeders out, one on the window and one in trees on either side of the rig. So they've been enjoying food. We have a little tree right there. There's one of the feeders over here. And there's another one in this tree right here. And then there's one on the window. So it's lovely out here.
So what are we watching?
We're watching the chopper planes, as we call them, the Osprey.
These guys are higher than some of the other ones that have come by. You get to see lots of stuff like this when you're down here close to the wall